Hi, Kevin.
Yes, indeed.
Kevin, it's Christian
Never.
from BOTB. Never.
Hi, Christian.
How are you?
Very well, yourself?
I'm good, thank you. What, are you just at work, leaving work?
Yeah, just about to leave work, yeah.
Just about to leave work. What do you do for a living? What's your job?
Have you ever heard of Johnson's the cleaners? You know, workwear, pick it up, clean it, take it back again.
Oh, nice one. Excellent. And whereabouts are you based?
In Bristol.
In Bristol. Lovely, lovely. Well, I've got some very good news for you, Kevin. You entered into our lifestyle competition. I'm pleased to say, Kev, you've just won £30,000.
No way.
Yes way.
Sheesh. Oh, brilliant.
Out of all the prizes in our
Really?
lifestyle competition, your ticket was randomly selected and the prize you played for and the prize you've now won is £30,000.
Yeah, speeches have hit me.
Speechless.
Excellent.
Congratulations.
It's amazing.
What do you think
Oh,
you'll spend
wow.
some of the money on?
It'll be the move of my girlfriend.
Oh,
I think we're trying to
fantastic.
get a house at the moment, so that'll definitely help towards that.
Amazing, fantastic. What's your girlfriend going to say when you tell her the news today that you've just won 30K?
Probably accuse me of joking and call me a liar, I don't know. I don't
Most
think
likely.
she'll believe it. I can't believe it.
Well, Kev, get home safely. I know you're about to leave work, so huge congratulations once again. And however you celebrate this upcoming weekend, massive congrats. Well done.
Thank you, Christian. Top man.
No worries, no worries.
Cheers.
We'll talk soon.
Take care.
Bye for now. Cheers.
Bye. Cheers, man.
This is now your last chance to win that Aston Martin for 20p. Go and enter our latest competition.